watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments. Never fails, leaf blowers in the background. Well, hey, on this quick episode of DIYNate, I'm going to show you guys a quick hack on how to fold in your back seats, your rear middle seats in your Volvo XC90. If you watch my other video on how to put down the back seats, it's a little tricky, and I had to read the user manual, look at some places online to figure it out. Not so much with the middle seats, but it was also something I didn't know about until a subscriber commented on my channel and asked, hey, how do you put the middle seats down? And I was like, I don't even know if you can. Well, you can, and I'm going to show you how real quick. Okay, so this is a 2013 Volvo XC90, and as you can see here, the car is just like this. Back seats are there. This is the middle row, and there's the front seats. So all we're going to do is, first thing you got to do is pull the headrest strap here. That lever is going to pull that headrest down. Then from here, we're going to lean our seat forward just a little bit so we can get to the back. This little piece right here is going to allow us to move it back and forward, and that is all you got to do to go fully downward. Now, I do understand this middle seat console also can go down, so you can bring that down, and you can do the same with the other side. So we're going to lay it all the way down and get a good look there. Okay, so again, pretty straightforward. We're going to pull our lever there. We're going to lift this, slide it down, and now, as you saw before, we'll lift this backrest there, and we're all the way down. We can lay our seats down, and we're good to go. And for somebody like me, somebody who's pretty handy with my projects, a lot of times I may want to put down the entire back and throw some stuff in here. So I am actually thrilled to hear that I can do this, and I'm going to probably start doing this a lot more now that I know I can. You can also take this middle console out. So let me know in the video if you want to see how to take that console section out. I did have to check my owner's manual, and you can do that as well if you're interested. But pretty cool feature with the Volvo XC90, how to lay your middle seats down. And also for children, sometimes this can be really helpful in getting in the back seat. They always struggle with climbing in and just getting past that seat, so pulling it down all the way is pretty slick there.
You've been watching DIYNate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.